turns off without warning. What to do? In this video, we will try to help you find the cause of PC turns off without warning and solve it. The problem may be caused by overheating, hardware problems, driver issues, malware infection, battery problems, UPS or surge protector failure, insufficient charger voltage, dodgy sleep mode, fast startup disadvantages, out-of-date BIOS, software failures, problematic OS. Let's fix. Overheating. If your PC turns off without warning, heat-related issues might be at work. Check fan issues. If your video card fans, case fans, or processor fans malfunction, they cause overheating. Examine them closely to find out whether any of them is playing up. If any of your fans keep squealing, that's a bad sign. It must be broken. If your fans are dirty or dusty, take a moment to clean them. This noble deed may fix the shutdown issue. Dirt and dust. Dust, dirt, food remnants, hair, and other stuff can overheat your computer. By preventing proper air circulation, inspect your computer and clean it of dirt or consult a specialist. Overclocking. If your PC has been overclocked, its components may not be able to meet the increased power demands. Keep in mind that overclocking your computer is playing with fire. It may cause serious damage to your machine. That is why we recommend you to disable your overclocking utilities. Your system should run as fast as it is supposed to. Battery problems. With time, laptop users tend to run into battery issues. Your battery might be the one to blame for this kind of misbehavior. Consider replacing your old battery with a new one. Make sure your new battery fits your laptop's requirements. UPS or surge protector failure. Do you use a surge protector or an uninterruptible power supply, UPS? If yes, make sure the device in question is not the root of the evil. Plug your computer directly into the power outlet and see if it works properly. Insufficient charger voltage. If you use resource-heavy programs or apps, you may need a charger with a higher voltage capacity. For example, if your charger is 90 watts or less, this might not be enough. As a result, your PC keeps shutting down spontaneously. Malware infection. If your computer is acting really weird and keeps shutting off spontaneously, you should scan your system as soon as possible. Such symptoms are indicative of malware infection. You can run a complete virus scan by using Windows Defender. On the other hand, if you want a more comprehensive virus or malware check, you can use top-notch security software like Auslogics anti-malware. System errors. To find and solve system errors, use the free program Troubleshooter. Please download the software from the link in the description. Auslogics developers have created a free program Troubleshooter. Troubleshooter will automatically fix more than 200 regular errors in Windows 10, slow computer, random reboot, reinstall Discord, and much more. Just type what you need to fix in the search box and follow the instructions. Troubleshooter does not contain any malicious files. You do not need to install it on your PC. Just run it from the storage place when you need it. In the program, you will find everything to make your PC work better. Troubleshooter is absolutely free. Launch the Troubleshooter. Press the button Apply Fix. In the pop-up window, click Fix. The Troubleshooter will perform the next steps. Disable sleep mode, disable fast startup, update device drivers. Done. Troubleshooter suggests alternative problem fix methods. Follow the instructions. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Fixing app problems can stop continual shutdowns. Run full disk check. Check whether your hard disk drive is working properly. Run System File Check, or SFC. The System File Checker tool is aimed at repairing missing or corrupted system files. Wait for the system scan to finish. Reboot your computer. On the Auslogics channel, we help Windows 10 users to fix system bugs. We create software for you to get the most enjoyable experience from your PC. Subscribe to Auslogics and write about the difficulties of your PC in comments. We will help you. Out-of-date BIOS. If unexpected shutdowns keep happening, consider updating your BIOS. This procedure must be performed carefully. Otherwise, your PC can be irreversibly damaged. Therefore, if you are uncertain of your expertise, we recommend you to seek professional assistance. Problematic OS. If nothing seems able to put an end to this shutdown nightmare, you might as well admit that your OS is not okay. Windows issues deserve particular attention. Use System Restore Points. Go to the search icon, type Control Panel, System and Security. Go to the File History, Recovery, open System Restore, Next. Select the preferred restore point and click Next. Confirm the preferred restore point by clicking Finish. Click Yes on the warning box. If this did not help or you do not have a recovery point, reset your PC. Note, this option allows you to keep your personal files. However, all your personal settings and installed programs will be removed. Go to the search icon. Type Reset, then hit Enter. Choose Reset this PC and follow the instructions. Reinstall your OS. If your PC keeps turning off randomly, consider reinstalling your OS. Unfortunately, this will erase your personal data. Make sure you have backed up all your important files. Do you need to fix other PC issues? Let us know in the comments below, and we might feature the solution in our next video. Video was created by Auslogics Labs, the leading developer of Windows optimization software.